Hi, it's James here from the Sprinkle Donut Forge in Moscow, Texas. And today I'm going to use some very hard steel. This is a bearing race from a wheel bearing. I think it says Toyo USA, something like that. Koyo with a K. I have no idea what kind of steel that they made their bearings out of, but I'm assuming it's kin to 52100, like bearing steel. Got a good ring to it. Anyway, I'm going to put one slice in this with the angle grinder, and then I'm going to commence to create a cutting thing from it. Now, what's cool about these bearing races is you got a fat side and you got a skinny side, just like a knife has. So you got your spine material there, and you have your edge material there, and if you straighten it out, you should be able to make a knife out of a bearing race with the proper heat pretty efficiently, and it should hold an edge very nicely. We'll find out. We're going to find out what I'm going to do with this, and if it's going to work, or if I'm going to burn it, or what's going to happen. So let's stick it in the vise and cut it. See you in a minute. Drop fork. Gotta do that in these ones. Got arc to it. Anyway, that's probably about 8 or 9 inches long. So I'm going to heat that up, and I'm going to try to create a false curve towards the edge. You hammer down the spine, and the steel is going to curve because this is going to get longer as it spreads out, and it's going to return that thing this way. So when you work on the bevels, it doesn't arc too much to the back. It'll straighten itself out. So go ahead and create more of a reverse blade shape by hammering out the spine first to get the length of shape you want, and then when you work on the bevels, it's going to draw that steel back out and make it longer, and it'll straighten the blade to the shape. And back in. See you in a minute. Be gentle with this stuff. Just kind of heat form it into shape, take your time. Then when you get it straight, start working on what I was telling you about. Get your material curved and then recurved into a blade. See you in a minute. Short and sweet. This stuff needs to be worked at high heat. Dense. Good, I can find those. See you in a minute. I'm going to work this spine into a reverse curve in the direction I want the blade to go. That way when I spread out the material of the blade, it's going to get longer and straighten itself out. So, back in, see you in a minute. Video. Alright, break butter knife. Let's work on it some more. See it? Alright, here we go. What we got? Width, I'd say about 7/8 of an inch wide, which is suitable. I mean, but and also I want to forge in some of the bevels. I mean, this is going to be a blacksmith made knife, not a $100 $500 for a custom chef knife. Now, ain't going to be that kind of deal. This is a bearing race. It's going to cut things down. There's a little bit of the tip. It's okay because it's thick. See how thick it is at the very tip? When I start working on the tip bevel, it's going to rock this back. So I'm going to leave that crown. I'm going to leave that crown in the back until I forge this bevel under here, and it's going to kind of straighten that. I'm going to try to work a couple of bumps out here, but not much, because I want it to be thicker here and thinner here, of course. Single edge knives are that way. And we'll be flicking this around and working on this area. There's inconsistencies in the thickness of the handle material into the crown. So I need to get one more hole in. See it? Let's line some lumps out here. Will not be shiny. This will be a forged finish kind of deal, with very little filing. I don't want to use any modern means to make this blade. I want to just make it out of something really hard, really thin. See, if I have a little walk to it, you can see that good from your angle. That happens when the distribution of material is wider in one point. That'll act like a shim and kick it up and hammer it down, so you get it in. See? Now it's opposite. Well, pretty much still there. I'm not going to force it on the seat. I probably need to make a little false edge there and just file out what I need to here. I'm going to try to knock that tip back a little bit because when I make this little false edge, it's going to return. So let's do that. Like I said, I'm a blacksmith and this is cutler work. So let's see what's going on. See me? Alright, let's see if we can correct the tip without working the blade too much. Oh, yes. Knock some of the fat out of that a little bit. Resisting. Leave it alone. I find myself looking into the camera view to get a shot of what you're seeing this way. Getting a lot straighter. They're still kicking it. But I'm not going to worry about that yet. I think now's the time to flip the blade around and try to work on this handle section of the tang. I want to get another hole punched in there in roughly the same area apart that these two holes are. Make it a little more symmetrical. And I want to show you these tongs. You see they can grab things with tangs like this or round stock. Of course, they spray quite a bit from using them for wider objects. These are blanks that were originally bought from Ken's Custom Iron. If you do not have tongs, but you are capable of smithing things a little bit, a handy beginner, so to speak, ordering these blanks is a great shortcut. You already have your boss, it comes with a rivet. They come cut out like a CNC machine. To basic shapes, requires some twisting and riveting. And you can soften the corners on the handles. I've done very little of these. These were gifted to me from Jim over at Big Jim's Forge. Now, Big Jim, he makes a beautiful, beautiful knives. He really has a talent for making them. And I love his work. It's just exquisite. Knives are like anything in the art world. Everyone has their own personality and character that they put into the work, and I think it's very admirable what he does with them. Him and old Ting Ting from County Line Forge, he makes some Damascus. It's really awesome. He was on Forged in Fire. One of the episodes not too long ago. Of course, none of us really knew until the last minute because they're not allowed to tell people. They find stuff. You can't talk about it until it's out. So he was true to his word. Like, what? You were on what? You did what? Anyway, check out Ting Ting County Line Forge and check out Big Jim's Forge. I'll share the link to Big Jim's Forge channel in the description of this video. Be sure to show him some love and support. Alright, I'm gonna grab this, get this in hot, and we're gonna work on it. See you in a minute. Alright, let's punch this hole. Don't bounce around a little bit. Don't put the chain on it. I'm not trying to punch the hole, I'm trying to mark the hole. Just one little dip there I can find on the top. That's pretty good dip. One thing about these rounding blading blacksmith hammers, sometimes they don't like to stand up too good. Depends on how the top of the billet is shaped, I suppose. But then, now let's see how close I was. I just kind of look at scratches all the time. So let's get my Champ Ironworks ruler out. From center to center is, let's go metric. About 5.6 mil. 5.6 mil is dead on, spaced. Pretty well even. It doesn't look it to me though. Like, handmade is handmade. You want machine made, go get a machine and make it with a machine. So let's try to get the thicknesses all worked out in this handle here, and then I'll finish punching that hole, and then clear out the other. Try to get them all symmetrical. See it? Here we go. It's nothing like making a knife out of coil spring. It has similar shorties. But when it ain't glowing, you can look at it, you can feel how much it resists, and know this time to heat back up. So I kind of like the profile, and the thickness is good with me. Wow, I can still see Coil USA on the side. Hold on, let me press this off to see if you can actually see it. It's like when you accidentally burn a dollar bill, you can still see the picture. Let's see if I can get that in there, maybe you can see it. I don't know if you can see it or not. Anyway, it's in there. Alright, I'm gonna heat up a bunch of holes, see it. And we'll heat sink, don't waste time. That little prick hole is real handy for this. A quick snatching hit. Now, now it's 5100 or something similar, so you're not going to get those blades out at this heat. So now I'm going to take a small ball peen and kind of work that out there. I'm not going to worry about these other holes. They're suitable. I will use a slightly undersized rivet and plenty of epoxy to fill in any gaps, and that will kind of help seal the deal. Anyway, let's get a look at the profile. See the lumpiness? Oh yeah, there you go. Those ones, we're going to get rid of those. So tang back in, heat up, and we'll do a little touch work on it in a minute. Okay, when you're working in a solid fuel forge and you're pushing a long object into it like a chisel, a knife, any sort of thing like that, you'll feel it stop against the coke on the other side. Okay, if you'll notice, if you leave it like that and you pull it out, you're going to see a colder section on the very tip. If you want everything to heat up evenly, once you bottom it out, pull it back just a hair. That way the heat can move around it, it's not buried up in coke and ash on the other side, and you'll get more even heat. I don't know if any of you already know that, but it's something to consider. Now, when you're working with a gas forge, you heat the entire piece up at once. So targeting the heat takes a little more finesse, but you'll heat the whole piece up at once. And for blade making, that's great. You can do that. I mean, if you're trying to do little scrolls and little artsy stuff, well, then being able to target the heat into a couple inches or 3 inch area is great. So solid fuel forge is great about that. If any of you have any ideas or methods of how to create a heat sink around parts in a gas forge, I am going to be installing a gas forge in the shop for adjustments and just for when I need to make heat right now and I need to kill it right now and not wasting fuel, do small things. That's my purpose behind getting a gas forge. So if any of you have any ideas on how to make a gas forge behave more like a solid fuel forge, I would be very, very interested your take on that. You can hit me up in Messenger on Facebook, James Duncan, or you can put your idea in the comment section below and we'll expound on it. Anyway, I wanted to tell you about that. When you bought an piece, that end's going to be colder than the part that's just up from it. If you just bring it back a little bit, you'll get even heat, and you can heat the whole thing up similar to gas forge. So, we'll work on these lumps. Should be about ready. Get your head wrapped around that because I'm open-minded in all 4 good ideas. I'm not worried about fit and finish too much. I'm worried about durability and function. I've noticed it started to recurve a bit. I want it to run straight. What I mentioned earlier about that thickness difference, it matters. It really does. You got a little bit thicker on one end and you're getting close to it, it's going to kick it up. Flip it over, you're going to try to reverse that, it's going to kick it down. So, we're starting to get relative to straight. Now, you got the anvil face, it can have a little walk to it. You won't know exactly how flat it is until you take something flat against it. See where it's rocking? Find where it rocks at. You're thinner out here. Okay, let's flip it over. Let's do the same thing in the same place in the same way. About the same rock. So, yeah, we're getting there. I still see lumps on the back here where I punched the holes, so I'm going to have to touch those with the hammer a bit. See you in a minute. Alright, adjustments. I'm happy with that. You know, some people like the rustic look in a blade, some people want absolute perfection. And if you go to that extreme with it, you're not going to make a lot of money unless you charge a lot for your work. Figure whatever the minimum wage is in your area of the world. Pay yourself that by the hour. Put your materials in, your fuel in. Always add a percentage to your materials and fuel. Because nobody works on straight money even when you're buying materials for a construction job. Because you got to procure it. That's worth something. Anyway, that's great. I should probably forge some bevels in, but if I do that, what's going to happen is the material at the edge is going to get longer, and it's going to curve me back around, and I'm not trying to make a scimitar, so something that John Switzer at Blackbird Forge mentioned, and you can live by this. It says, he who would a good edge win must forge thick and grind thin. I am no fan of grinding or filing this bearing steel. Even when it's been decarbonized as much as I've allowed this to, it's still hard. It's very, very hard to abrade. It's hard to get bite with a file. So, yeah. Okay, John, I'm going to take your word. Now, looking at this blade, there's a little bit of a dome to the side, and this side is a little bit indented, so what I should probably do is face the cutting edge to the left of me, and then try to work it down more toward the spine. Although I'm not going to put fullers in this, I could. It doesn't really need it. It's not a hunting knife. I'm going to take the ball and kind of work that at the spine, near the spine, to stretch this metal, where if anything, it won't curve more this way, it'll curve more towards the edge. And we have about, I'd say, 3/32 of an inch of material at the edge, which you should be able to get down to a good heart. The heart is the metal inside that is not burned or pulverized. It's nice and clean, so you can get good response from sharpening the edge in it. That's why you forge thick and grind thin. People say, oh, you're a blacksmith or a grinder. You never heard nose of the grindstone? Blacksmiths have been grinding things for hundreds and hundreds of years, even thousands if you go back to wearing it down on a rock. There's nothing wrong with grinding. Grinding is how you finish your forge work. The whole purpose behind forging is to get the relative shape of what you're trying to make. The finishing methods have improved over the years, but with enough time and patience, you just can't beat good old-fashioned elbow grease. Alright, I think I'm done forging this. I think I'm done, except for what I told you about, working that ball right here. So let's do that. Let's get a touch mark on here up in the blade area, and we'll either work on some filing, or we'll call it quits on this and make another video, because this is starting to get lengthy, and I don't want y'all to have a boring, long watch. We live in an age of instant gratification. You want to know something, you can instantly Google it, you can YouTube it. Not everybody wants to spend an hour and a half seeing what you gotta do. That's why I don't do a lot of live streams, plus I don't have 1,000 subscribers, so YouTube's kind of X me out of that, unless I go on Facebook. Because sometimes you want to spend a half an hour or less watching somebody's video, and you get your kick out of it, and you go on and do whatever you're doing. I try to keep them watchable, I ramble too much, but this is kind of interesting, and I hope that you will glean something from this information. Yeah, it's nice and slender. I noticed when I made fat blades that they will bog down going through material, cheese and things like that. The thinner it is, the easier it is to cut stuff up, and this is going to be a general purpose knife, and a good tool. Without further ado, back in, see you in a minute. Alright, now remember, blade to left, knees flat. Working at the spine area. Alright, now we're going to do some lumpiness here. I'm going to try to forge in some bevels. Instead of grinding thin, I'm going to try to forge it to where there's less ready to file, because what I'm using, I'm going to use a hand file, an old Nixon file. And I really wish, for these bevels, that I had the hammers that the English cutlers used to use. English cutler's hammer. I think I'm saying that right. I'll tell you where you can see one in action. Sam Towns Bladesmith. Remember those 3 words, Sam Towns Bladesmith. Now, Sam's a jolly good fellow. He's a wonderful guy. He's a very, very talented bladesmith. And he makes hammers. And he will make you English cutler's hammer for forging bevels in and all that kind of good stuff for a fee. Now, blacksmiths don't work for free. Neither do bladesmiths. Now, this is not a money thing. This is something I'm doing for y'all. Because I love you guys. I'm glad that you're here spending your time watching me do this thing. That's pretty thin. We're going to try some bevels. See you in a minute. Alright, I'm going to come off the edge of the lazy spot. My anvil with this rounding hammer. I'm not going to try to take the warp out. It's cooling off. I'm going to heat it up, flip it over, and try to do the same thing on this side. This is a little Nordic Forge rounding hammer. This is my only store-bought cast blacksmithing hammer that I possess. And believe it or not, these things are very efficient. I do believe that you will get more use out of them if you dress them. You know, knock some hard edges off. But I get around $30 American for it at various supply by my coal. And I've never had any real problems with it, except trying to get the flat side. You know, some flat side want to bounce off funny. Therefore, more controlled flows. Like pushing the flat down, knowing the feel of the hammer, and trying to flatten things out. So that's why rounding flatter hammers are handy for the blacksmith. This is a 2-pound Nordic Forge rounding hammer. It does not come off the shelf very often. Alright, back in. You're flat. Blade to the left. Back in. I've made a few blades. I'm no cutler. But I kind of am, in a way. I made a few blades. My style is I like some curve. That way when you're against the cutting board, your knuckles aren't hitting the damn cutting board. You know, blade up and slice, and slice. Whatever you're cutting, I mean, that kind of helps you. Okay, we're going to touch mark this blade, this general area. We're going to punch it in a hole. In a hole. And that's going to be the end of the forging. Part 2 will be the fitting the handle and the sharpening of the blade. We're going to have to do this in 2 parts because this is getting long, folks. Alright, see you in a minute. A few corrections. Alright, and I curve to it. Heat up. Very good. Excellent touch, Mark. Plenty of plunger. Alright. Now we got to do the oil tube quench. Let me see if that distorted the blade any. I have enough heat to straighten it at this point. Yeah, a little bit. Alright. Boom. 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 Unboom. Alright. Can you see it? I see it. Touch mark. Okay, let's see this thing up and quench it. We'll talk a bit. See you in a minute. Here it comes. Alright, here's the rough forged piece. I like kind of that mini tanto end. I'm not going to make a very small point. That would be brittle, being what it is. Just got a little flex, just enough. Been oil quenched, and the oil quench removes a lot of the scale. The balance is just forward of the last hole. That's good. Nice and light, straight. Alright, thank you for watching the forging of the bearing race knife. That's all I've got for this evening. The next video will be on finishing the knife, and in the meantime I got a couple commissions to knock out. So tell me in the comments section below, what would you like to see the handle made from? Hickory, black walnut, a piece of janky antler that I've got hanging around, or some black micarta? What about pins? What do you think the pins ought to be? Enthrall me with your opinions. I will consider them carefully, and if I choose what you chose, I will mention you in the comments section, and I will mention you in my next video. Alright, hope you enjoyed this. I hope you gleaned something from this. A good use for a bearing race, and I'll put the link to Sam Towns and Big Jim's Forge in the description of this video. I highly suggest you check them both out. Alright, till next time, bye.